Hello and welcome to another Kismet Crafts card making video. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a card from our teddy bear shaped card sheet, which you can see here. Here's a list of everything you're going to need in order to make this card. As you can see, I've already printed this out onto a nice glossy photo paper. It gives it a lovely sheen and it's really easy to work with. So from the sheet, all you do is I'm going to cut out all the different elements, so the heart, the present and the bear itself. There's two ways you can do this. You can either cut around the bear, as you can see I've cut around the bear here, but I've left the paper between his ears. The reason I've done that is you can probably see that there's a really tiny space where the ears meet. So if you cut that bit out, it leaves it quite fragile. So what I've done is I've left the paper there, so all I need to do now is fold it in half, like so, and then the card will stand up by itself. Alternatively, if you want to, you can instead cut out the two bears, like so, and then what you can do is, as you can see, I've put some double-sided sticky tape onto the back here, so I can just peel that away. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stick the two sides together in just a moment. There we go. So I'm just going to line these up, get over it, line them up so that the ears meet and the head meets, like so. And once I've done that, I'm just going to bend it slightly, like so, by his eyes. So once again, he'll stand up all by himself. Once you've done that, either way, whichever way you decide to do it, I've also, as I said, I've cut out the different pieces here, the heart and the present. And these, you can immediately make it into either a nice card for a kiddie's birthday, and you can stick that on the front, put a message in there as well if you want to, or you can stick a heart on it and make it a Valentine's Day card, anniversary card, engagement card. There's all sorts of different things you can do with this. Or again, you can use it as a naming day card, anything you like. Congratulations on your baby. Also, with these pieces here, they make really good gift tags. So again, you don't just need to use the sheet to make cards, you can also use it to make gift tags. These can go in scrapbooks to embellish different pieces, the same as the teddy bear. So you could place teddy bear in the scrapbook, place the heart on it, and then put a little photograph inside the heart, and then so it's just concealed. They're really, really nice pieces to put into all of your paper projects. So there you have it, our teddy bear shaped card. Nice and quick and easy for whatever you need.